let's start the matter now. Bauchi State, Bauchi State, Bauchi State. My brother, and I will put my for inside this matter because today we want to look into plenty things. And you know, now so it be here, we try to touch some areas where concern us. Yes. Bala Mohammed Governor, His Excellency, former FCT Minister, now the State Governor of Bauchi State, don't declare, say, throughout the Ramadan, students no go school. Made a day house. My brother, my people, I want Mukuna still look into this matter this morning. Let's leave religious matter out of this. Because if one dig and deep very well, we're going to say some of the Arab countries, most of them supposed shut down. Yes. But looking at it well, what do you call this? You will call it politics or do you call it religion?